Hello and welcome back to Between the Keys. I'm teaching the US Top 40 and I'm on song number, I'm already on song number 25 and it's Stargazing by Myles Smith. And if you look up the song, it'll give you it in the wrong key because it's more of a guitar ukulele song, to be honest. And it will tell you to play F, C, A minor, G. Excuse me. And the song's actually not in that key, it's in E. So the intro, you need this. The chords are actually E, A, C sharp minor, to B. So if you play those bass notes, that's what he does in the right hand for the introduction, just E's. And then you get your first chord and the first lyric. Time stood still, time stood still. That's the melody. Just like a photograph, you made me feel. Down to B. Like this would last forever, looking in your eyes. I see my whole life, and then whoa. You say you know it, and you know it, and I know B. Okay, just get those chords round again. That's the kind of strumming pattern the guitarist plays, so if you want to emulate that. And then, what's the chorus? Promise that you hold me close, don't let me go. And then, take my heart, don't break it. C sharp minor. Love me to my bones. All this time I wasted. You were right there all along. You and I stargazing, intertwining souls. We were strangers. You were right there all along. And then back to the verse. I lost my mind. When I'm around you, but I come alive. When I'm without you, God, the text is so small, sorry. When I'm without you, I can't help but feel so lost. I wanna give you all that I got. Whoa. So you know it and you know it and I know. And again. Whoa. Whoa, A, C sharp minor, whoa, whoa, whoa. Promise that you hold me close, don't let me go. And then we go back to the chorus. Take my heart, don't break it. Love me to my bones. All this time I wasted. You were right there all along. You and I stargazing. Intertwining souls, we were never strangers. You were right there all along. Okay, oohs, loads of oohs, and then take my heart, don't break it, love me to my bones. Just repeats that last chorus line again. That's the whole song. 4-chord song. Thanks for watching Between the Keys. That was Stargazing Stargazing by who? Stargazing by Myles Smith. And next up, I'm going to do number 26 of the US Top 40, which is Saturn by SZA. SZA. How the hell do you say that? Zar? I guess it's Zar. So stay tuned for the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have any requests for other songs, put them in the comments, and I shall hopefully respond promptly. And thanks again for watching Between the Keys.